In this video, I'm going to show you how to open up a YouTube channel using your mobile phone. Hello there, welcome to Creator Spot. My name is Manja Lawrence. If this is your first time here and you would like to master your phone and grow your channel using just your mobile phone, kindly subscribe and smash that bell button so you will never miss any videos from me. You open the YouTube app, you click here and then you sign in. You sign in with your email address. If you don't have an email address, we are going to create one very quickly here. This will take some few seconds or a minute depending on the speed of your device. You'll fill in your email address in the first box and then followed by your password. If you don't have one, we shall click on create account. For myself, then you'll put in your first name. For example, you can put in the names of your channel or what you want your channel to be called. I'll just give it a random name. Let me say hey, then my second name will be world. Click next. After that, you set your birth info. And then gender, then click next. From there, Google will suggest for you different emails. You'll choose which one you can easily remember, or you can create your own, but for my case I'll choose the second one. Then you create a very strong password. You'll now land onto this page where you'll be told to review your account information, and they're telling you you can use this Gmail address to sign in later. So we have to click next. Here we shall have to read through Google's privacy and terms, which are the terms and conditions. If you agree with everything, you'll have to press I agree. Then you will set a few settings, backup to Google Drive stuff. You can go through and read more about them. Then you accept after doing so. As you can see here, we are already logged in into YouTube and our account is set already. If you want to change the name of your channel, you just click to your channel and then it brings you to this page. You can edit it to whichever name you want, then you press create channel. Here your channel will be approved. Channel created. After successfully creating your channel, this is not enough. If you want to have a successful YouTube channel, you'll have to click to channel settings and then add a description. A description is information about your channel. You have to talk about the things you create, the kind of videos you make on this channel, and then you have to encourage people to subscribe to this channel through this description. Then still, if you want to change the name, you click onto this first pencil icon. Here you'll have only 3 chances to change the name of your channel in 90 days, that is 3 months. Here you can continue customizing your channel by creating a profile picture for this, by creating a profile picture which goes here, and then a YouTube channel ad or banner which goes here for your channel to look professional. In my next videos, I'll be showing you how to properly set up your YouTube channel such that it looks professional and it entices people to subscribe to your channel. If you have a video you would like to upload or to test out, you just press this icon over here, and then YouTube will go direct into your gallery and you will choose any video you would like to upload. For example, let me say I will upload this one. This is just a trial video. So you'll come down, write the title for your video and then the description, then you make your video public. For example, let me say hairdo. I will say in this video I show you how to do your hair at home. Then I make it public, then press the upload button. It is uploading right now. So here your video will start uploading. If it's a 10 minutes video, it might take 5 to 10 minutes. Now, as you can see, our video is ready to be watched. It's already on YouTube. Anyone can search and find this video on YouTube. Now, for a successful YouTube channel, setting it up to this level is not enough if you want your channel to grow, to be successful, and to have subscribers in a very short period of time. This is not enough. There are some other features which you have to unlock. There is some other information which you'll have to fill in, which can only be done on a computer. If you don't have a computer, you can use a browser, for example Google Chrome. You enable the desktop version of Google Chrome and fill in all the necessary information, which I'll be teaching you in my next video. So if you don't want to miss all those videos, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button so you will never miss any videos from me. If you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. You can tell me about your channel. What are you planning to do with your YouTube channel? And I'll be here to help you learn, create and succeed on YouTube.